Across Africa, time costs money, and where big dollars are at stake, there's no time or money to be wasted. One of Africa's leading oil and gas services companies had a requirement to purchase a dive support vessel, which would complement their current fleet. The company, who specialize in diving, vessel leasing, subsea construction support, as well as maintenance and surveys and repairs of vessels and offshore facilities, required a vessel capable of operating offshore for extended periods of time, providing a safe diving platform for survey services to the large maritime companies across the continent. The brief was that the vessel was required to operate independently or in conjunction with a mothership, and after extensive consultation with various industry leaders in propulsion, navigation and dive support systems, T-Craft was commissioned to develop a 14.5 meter dive support vessel. The design and construction of the vessel was headed up by Gerry van Niekerk, a globally acclaimed salvage diver, who for the past 30-odd years has been as comfortable 30 meters below the surface of the water as he is on dry land. His salvage, survey and underwater experience added immense value through his understanding of what teams of professional divers working at sea require, and most importantly the regulations and theoretical and practical realities of offshore requirements. With the client brief requiring the best in hardcore marine construction, sensible acquisition costs, safety at sea, reduced running costs, and state-of-the-art diver and crew support facilities, Gerry and the team at T-Craft set about the build with absolute commitment to fulfilling these criteria. The construction material chosen was marine-grade aluminium, being the ideal build material, in that it is 30 to 40% lighter than standard GRP and more than 50% lighter than steel. Benefits that aluminium offers include fuel savings, robust and easy to repair hulls, durability, non-flammability, superior corrosion resistance and extended service life cycles. The Ocean Legacy DSV offers the following. The design catered for comfort and reduced crew fatigue by incorporating on-board air conditioning, off-duty crew bunks, full ablution facilities, diver change room, fully appointed galley for preparing meals, and 23 square meters of protected aft deck space. The DSV's propulsion requirements are serviced by powerful twin inboard diesel motors driving propellers, which enable the vessel to attain a cruising speed of 16 knots and a sprint speed of 21 knots. Also installed are the latest electronic motor controls and monitoring equipment, all securely housed in the elevated flybridge, which offers 360-degree all-round visibility. On board, she has full electronic navigation with a Furuno 32 nautical mile radar, GPS, a chart plotter and echo sounder, and VHF and SSB radios. The vessel's onboard power is generated and maintained while out at sea by two 18-kilowatt 380-volt three-phase generators, providing a 380 and a 220-volt supply. Coupled to this supply is a 15-amp 220-volt AC inverter charger, servicing the dive panel and managing the onboard battery bank to power all electrical systems on board. The DSV was designed to offer its crew a working dive platform which would make their task at sea safe and efficient while still offering versatile mission capability. The vessel is equipped with an air dive control station and high-pressure air storage system supplied by unique Hydra. The diver control station system includes two Amcon video and communication feeds to the diver, allowing the dive supervisor and clients monitoring the system on the boat to see what the divers are observing and are able to communicate or issue instructions to them in real time while watching the two CCTV dive monitors. All communications and video footage are automatically recorded on the onboard DVD recorder for scrutiny at a later stage. Breathing air is drawn from 4 banks of 3 50-litre air cylinders. She is equipped with a 3-diver surface-mounted gas control panel, diver hat camera and light controls, a high-pressure compressor to charge the cylinder banks, as well as 2 100-metre working diver umbilicals and 100-metre standby diver umbilical. When it comes to safety, we allow no compromises. From a design perspective, the vessel has 8 integral watertight compartments with 10 automatic bilge pumps, a 12-man life raft, and caters for a crew complement of 12, including divers and ship's crew. The vessel's stability book confirms a 5,000 kilogram aft-deck payload capacity. If required, the vessel will hold up to 50 persons if called to assist with an offshore emergency. Also included for its safety classification is a state-of-the-art CO2 fire suppression system with alarm and automated monitoring. The DSV can be registered as an A classification with unlimited range depending on client requirements. As with all of the 360 vessels that have been fabricated at the T-Craft yard to date, the DSV underwent comprehensive sea trials off the coast of Port Elizabeth in South Africa prior to client sign-off. The T-Craft team are also available to supply or undertake instrument calibration, crew orientation and familiarization, spares and consumables supply, site-based service contracts, logistic and freight support, and to warrant that each vessel will be free of any defects caused by faulty workmanship under normal use and service for a period of 1 year from date of manufacture. Ideally situated in Port Elizabeth, South Africa, T-Craft can, through the auspices of internationally respected freight companies, undertake to deliver the finished product anywhere in the world. Or if you prefer, to a finishing plant near your base for those all-important personal touches. We are proud to announce that the Ocean Legacy dive support vessel, a 14.5 metre planing catamaran platform constructed entirely of welded aluminium, is now available internationally. In today's competitive and technologically challenging world, there is no standing still. Hence our ongoing commitment to innovation and technical excellence. And when your boat is finished, we are not. For further information, check out the T-Craft website at www.tcraft.co.za.